Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you good budget how to add income. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding income in good budget is easy and important to keep your budgeting accurate. So to do it, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up a good budget app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the embellished bottom on the tab, and then tap on the edit icon or pencil icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be sent to add a transaction. All you gotta do is simply add a new transaction. Choose the account where the income was deposited, then simply enter the amount and date, and then all you gotta do now is set a category as income if applicable, and lastly review all the details and tap on save. Now go to the field envelopes to allocate this income. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.